We spend hours every day interacting with our computers, but they are always felt like we're just machines, cold and unresponsive. But what if your PC or local AI could look back at you? What if it had a face? Today I'm turning this tiny ESP32-C6-Geek into a living, breathing desktop companion using a custom LVGL component I built. It's small, it's powered by USB, and it's about to give my workspace a whole new personality. The magic happens through a simple Python bridge. My PC sends real-time status updates via serial to the ESP32. It's not just a loop, it's reacting to me. Check out the screen. His expression is constantly shifting. Depending on what I'm up to, he was switching between being playful or just staying neutral. And get this, the second I fire up a video player, he gets super excited. It's like he's ready for movie night. I'm starting a code compile and having a CPU stress. See that? He knows I'm pushing the limits. He's locked in, working right alongside me. It turns a boring loading bar into a shared experience. No nap time today. He'd be sleepy if I weren't so busy, but we are both locked in right now. The faster I type, the more hyped he gets. It's surprisingly motivating to have a tiny cheerleader sitting right in your USB hub. To make this possible, I developed the LVGL Kawaii Face component. The word kawaii means cute in Japanese, and that's exactly what I wanted to bring to life. A cute, expressive facial animation system. LVGL is becoming the go-to choice for embedded UI UX these days, so I built this component specifically for LVGL 9. It comes packed with 17 different animations right out of the box. If you've already got an LVGL environment ready, you can drop this in and start playing with it immediately. If you're an ESP-IDF user with the LVGL setup, you can try it today. I'm still fine-tuning the Arduino side of things, but the foundation is all there. This is just the beginning. We are living in the era of local LLMs and personal AI assistants like OpenClaw. The trend is moving toward AI that isn't just a text box, but presence. Imagine syncing this face with an LLM's output. When the AI is thinking about a complex prompt, the face looks pensive. When it finishes a task successfully, it gives you a thumbs up or wink. When it detects a frustrated tone in your voice, it looks concerned. I'm sure that someday AI will be able to design and draw its own face in real time, but until that day comes, I decided to build exactly what I wanted to see. The code is waiting for you on GitHub. Go give your hardware a soul and let me know in the comments. What will your AI's first emotion be? Thanks for watching and stay creative. I will see you in the next one.